My name's Bob. I'm a Central Fulfillment Operations Leader, and I've been with IKEA 40 years as of August 28th. My first IKEA memory was around the end of June in 1985. The store opened. I was living in the area at the time, and a few friends of myself decided to say, what is IKEA? Never heard of the company. It was brand new in the US here. So we came in one day, we walked around, and it was absolutely chaos. There were lines at the door. The lines at the cash lanes were probably 30-40 minutes long. And we said to ourselves, wow, this is actually pretty neat and interesting because there was nothing like it at all in the whole Philadelphia area. My journey to get to IKEA, again, through high school, when I was looking at medical lab technician. As I was looking at colleges, I decided to stay local and go to college. And as I was waiting for college to start, I applied for IKEA, accepted the job, and the rest is history. One of my favorite IKEA products is the Billy bookcase for a couple reasons. One, it's definitely iconic and been around a very long time in IKEA, and being able to see it grow. So when we first came into the range, I remember being in at least 3 colors, black, white, and a nut brown from that standpoint. And over the years, it's evolved. Definitely a democratic design. We definitely have expanded what the Billy bookcase can do. For not only myself but our customers. We added doors to it, we added extra shelves, added lighting, and multitudes of colors. So I just think the Billy bookcase, not only being iconic, but there's a lot you can do with it in your home. I'll go with the Pellane chair. Again, I remember picking a lot of them back in the day when I worked in the store. It seemed like we could never keep them in the bin and on the shelves. But looking at it, not only is it comfortable, but I think one of the funniest things is being able to work with it and let customers know, yes, it is safe to be able to sit on, basically because of the way that it's designed from that standpoint. But again, it's grown over the years, multiple colors in the range, leather covers, leather cushions, and all that. So it's one of my favorites. I'm most looking forward to continued growth. My short / a little longer term is to hopefully retire at IKEA. I love what I'm doing, the job now, but again, I think what's great about IKEA is it always gives the opportunity to grow and maybe stretch your boundaries, stretch your limits on what maybe you thought you could not do. So over the next year or so, I'll definitely see what's maybe something else that is striking me as interesting and challenging and fun that I can